How a 12-year-old tire changer gets a new lease on life.
This tire changer has been in use for 12 years.
A U-226 tire changer that has been in service for 12 years was returned to us for maintenance. Let's head over to the site and inspect it. Hello, can you introduce yourself?
You can call me Lou.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Lou. Would you mind sharing what happened to this machine?
The owner of an automobile tool shop recommended this machine to me, saying that it is reliable and can be used for 15 years or longer. That's why I decided to buy it. As we expected, this machine has been running for 12 years without any major issues. This is a testament to its quality construction and long-lasting design. I brought this machine in for maintenance mainly because it has been used heavily and the teeth on the turntable have become worn. I want to have it checked to see if any parts need to be replaced and to keep it in good working order.
Okay, let's begin by examining this turntable. It's been in service for 12 years and we recommend replacing it with a complete turntable set. The wear on this rubber pad is significant, so we suggest it be replaced. Let's take a look at this cover. It appears to be broken and suggest getting a replacement, too. Here are the parts and components that we have arranged for renewing the machine. Mr. Lou, are you pleased with how the machine renewal turned out?
Exceedingly satisfied. It's as if I have a brand new machine. I'm thrilled with the results. Thank you very much.